Welcome to another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam. Hola, how's it going? Damp Sam back in our kitchen extension. I'm just going to give you a little update of what we've done and the story so far. So if you've been following our videos and my videos on this extension that used to be my conservatory, then you'll know that we started it just as we went into lockdown, and it's now first Sunday in October 2020, and you can have a look around and see what we've done. So because it's Sunday, I've just skimmed the last part inside here, and in other side of that area, which used to be our utility, which is, you've got kitchen, old sink unit there. Came on Friday and knocked and cut window out. So Bricky came and cut window out, and then later on window fitter came up around about 6:30 and fitted window. Took him about half an hour. So it was a bit stressful thinking that we were going to be having to board it up, but luckily they both came on the same day, and we got it sorted. I'll take you around there and have a look in a minute. We've got first fix leaks on ceiling, and we had it painted as well, just for the simple fact that we wanted to get a scaffold out. So walls have just had a mist coat. Some of them haven't, but some of them have. We've got fan in place, which is an alternating fan. And if you notice down at the bottom, we've got a radiator on the wall. But when plumber came and fitted it, I measured up, and units would have sort of not fitted. So I've had to have him move it 60 millimetres over to the other side, which we weren't very pleased about, but it's done it anyway. So it's me that's paying for it. So we've got that on the wall, and I went other week and picked my kitchen. So the kids are not going to get any shoes this Christmas because we're skint now. There's that's coming on 19th. And now that we've got that blocked up, kitchen fitters can come and mark out kitchen front plan that we've got. We've been sent, so they'll mark everything up. They'll mark island out, where all appliances is going to go, and then hopefully we can get plumber back, and he can put his stabs in, and electrician can run their tails wherever they need them. What else? So as floorings come. So when kitchen goes in, kitchen fitters are going to put flooring down, and it's click, step. It's like a vinyl. It's going to be like a white colour. So we're going to get that in. And this is one of my biggest fans. I don't know who she is, but she keeps stalking me. What do they call you, little girl?
Gaga gaga.
Right. So I've been left looking after this little one. The mother's gone to get some glasses, so brief appearance from one of my biggest fans here, Izzy. So it was quite stressful knowing we were having to shift all that stuff out of there and get it in here, basically because it's the size of the fridge. That's going when all units comes in, and it's washer, because everything's going to be integrated. But I used that thing to get it through, and plumber helped me, and it was less stressful than what I thought, but it had been playing on my mind, getting it out and getting it plumbed in, because I didn't want it to be out of Wesher, because we got to Wesher's close. So everything's in place now for next next section, which is going to be, is basically finishings. So kitchen fitters, and then decorator. So I'll just take you through and just show you a little bit what we've blocked up and what we're going to do with it.
Look, Ryan, if I did something to upset you, just tell me what it is and I'll apologize.
So this is the other side where I've just rattled on this morning. This was right window that we had cut out, and originally we were going to knock this wall out and so my son could have a long bedroom, and which gave him a window, because his window were on the other wall, as you'll see if you look back on videos. His window looked out onto the garden before we had extension. We've had a change of plan. So when they knocked it out, I sort of stood in the room and I thought, we don't really need to knock that wall out, because it can move into my daughter's bedroom, and then we've now named this area the Sunny Suite. So he's got a suite now, so he's going to have like sort of in this bit a sofa and whatever, and his gaming stuff and all that sort of thing. And before anybody says, oh, they've never had gaming things or tellies in the bedrooms, because they've always had that one in there. But what we're going to do is we're going to put we're going to get a switch so we can turn plug sockets off on a night when he goes to bed, so he's not getting up and playing games. So so that'll be his other part of the room, and this will be his sort of gaming part. And then as he gets another bedroom somewhere else in the property. But because that wall was old window, it were a bit sort of up and down and out, you know, like all shapes. So I've had to sort of straighten it all up with board packing out and things like that, straightening it all up. But all finished now. Just gonna have to get a bit of flooring for there, clean it up, and then this bit can be decorated. So so that's that bit. We've got this is going to be this is old kitchen here, and that's going to be a boat room, believe it or not. So and it's getting took off, stud wall going up with a door in, and then that's going to be a boat room. Basically, it's going to be a room where all shit gets put, because with no storage in there. I mean, we've got plenty in here now, but we don't want it all cluttered. So everything will go in boat room. I think that's it for now. So it was just a little update for you. I can't think of what else. Veluxes they've got the plugs on. Look, I don't know if you can see. So Veluxes have got a plug on with a switch. Like I said, apparently they're if you cut switch off, they're not on warranty. Don't ask me. Don't shoot Messenger. I don't know whether it's right, but so we've done it that way, and it don't look too bad. Not had a mop in it because electricians are going to come back and do another fix, stick all sockets on and that. So that's Damp Sam signing off. Working on a weekend, working hard, trying to get everything sorted, and hopefully we're going to be in for Christmas. So I'll keep you updated and see you on next video. Bye bye now.
Thanks for watching another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam. Please subscribe and please like the channel.